In this video, we want to see whether the sum from n equals 3 to infinity of 1 over n times ln of n times ln of n is convergent or divergent. First, note that this function inside is continuous, positive, and decreasing from 3 to infinity. So that means we can use the integral test. So let's replace the summation with an integral, and let's evaluate this integral. Now, in order to evaluate this integral, we should do a u substitution. So we're going to let u equal ln of n. And so du is 1 over n dn. So this right here is u, and so is this. Now, 1 over n and dn is going to be replaced with du. So we should have 1 over u times ln of u du. And when n equals 3, u equals ln of 3. So just by plugging n equals 3 into this equation, and then as n approaches infinity, u also approaches infinity. Because ln of n approaches infinity as n approaches infinity. So that's why I changed the limits here. Now at this point I have to make another u substitution, so I'm going to introduce w this time. So w is going to be ln of u. So then du over u is going to be dw. So we just have dw over w, and when u is ln of 3, w is ln of 3. So that's by plugging it into here. And then as u approaches infinity, w also approaches infinity. Now we can evaluate this integral, but first, because this is going to infinity, this is an improper integral, so I'm going to introduce a limit. So I'm going to replace infinity with b, and we'll let the limit as b approaches infinity of that. Now I can evaluate the integral. So the integral of dw over w is just ln of w. And now I'm going to evaluate ln of w from b to ln of 3. Okay, so these are just my limits. And then I'm going to plug in b for w, and then ln of 3 for w. So I have the limit as b approaches infinity of ln of b minus ln of 3. This is some finite number. I don't really know, nor do I care, because this right here goes to infinity. So it's like I have infinity minus a finite number. This limit is infinity. So what that means is the integral is divergent, and so that means that the series is also divergent by the integral test.